Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to here again. This is your old friend Jackie, and this handsome boy beside me. All of you must be very familiar with him. He's our very experienced and helpful technologist. Mr. told me that today we have around 100 people already subscribe our channel. Okay. So tonight our internet seems not good enough. If somebody cannot see us, please let us know. Text into the comment area so our special people will fix it. Remove password 或者是 decode
password
remove 吧 remove 移除密码 remove password
有一点3年的
Mitsubishi MIT SU BI SHI
问题就是网和
你要大些你都大些，要小些你都小些，你这个怪嘛估计。哎，对，同理。KONE
那天慢能连上，前面能连上。
迅达 SCHIN BLER
先保证一个人说出来。
PAN 上海。
这想连了
啊，可以。
系列这下。
哦啊，迅达。哦。
然后剩下的是，
你这在这写个 drive 或者 control。
异步编辑的。
Okay, so let's get into our today's topic. So Mr. Henry will start to give a presentation to all of us. Yeah, please.
就是我们回顾一下我们去年讲的，我们去年讲的有3个部分，第一个部分是我们的调试，第二个是我们的解除密码，还有最后一个是我们的协议。
Okay, so the before.
这3个部分就是看大家还有什么疑问，可以点击到评论区。
If about the former topic, if somebody have questions about this part, please leave message at the comment area.
20分钟后看一下我们的评论区，
Okay.
需要我们去解决的。
Okay, if somebody still have question about this part, please leave message on the comment area. Around 20 minutes later, we will give the answer.
接下来也是我们的一个重点，就是我们的来自于我们的莫拉克3000家，也就是我们市场占有率的80%。
The 80% around the market now is NICE100new. So now we'd like to talk something about this part.
然后占据我们包括等等的一些代表。
你写个，我来吧。你写个这个笔。Others. HERS. Okay. So all of the first level brands elevator already be the mainly and the very important role on the market. Go ahead.
这都讲完了。都念了。
什么念？
这就是占据我们的就是这样子选的是3年
The Mitsubishi have Japan and Shanghai. I believe all of you guys know that. And KONE mainly now is the LCE and KCE and Otis all and Schindler all and others like the TKE, And yeah, maybe the TKE will be purchased by the KONE later, very soon, I think, if KONE can be successfully, okay? And some like the Clayman or some other North American and South American brands, I think. Yep.
就是在这些梯子的种类下，就是有一些梯子，就比如说我们的维修难度大，包括我们的技术封锁，就是分公司的一些技术封锁，包括种种的一个原因，然后我们可以采取我们这款的一个莫纳克系统进行改造，然后我们接下来会把一些详细的改造的一些方法和方案会分享给大家。
Yeah, sometimes you see the maybe because of the like KONE KCE now it's not easy to maintain that, and some of that maybe because of the technology is very difficult to learn, and even their company they keep secret for the technologists, so it is very hard for our general people to maintain that. So it's very hard for us, like the maintain company, to give the very good service to our client. So that's why the many time and of course sometimes the elevator already very old, so it have the frequently error. So that's why we use this to modernization such kind of elevators.
我们莫纳克改造的话，基本上采用的就是这款系统。
Yeah, we mainly now use Monarch 3000new to do the modernization. Now this is the most popular, and after the market examination, yes, I believe nowadays this Monarch 3000new and more people know it and know how to use that, and many of the different region people have basic knowledge about this thing.
我们接下来看一下，就是我们莫纳克系统能改造的这几个具体的印机，它的外观样子是哪一种的？首先，我们就是介绍一下，比如说我们的双安印机，比如说我们的通力，我们的迅达，然后包括我们的30，包括这些来回转，然后带上走一遍。
Okay, so something that we'd like to introduce what type of traction machine that Monarch 3000new can modernization. I mean, can use this system, can use the Monarch system to drive these traction machines like the KONE and the Schindler and Hui. Yes, this is Schindler. Now you can see the Schindler, and now we get into the this one is the Shanghai Mitsubishi also. And here is the Japan Mitsubishi also. And that one, the smaller one is Otis. I mean, such kind of the traction machines all can be driven by the NICE100new system.
然后我们首先第一步就是看我们首先解决我们的通力。
Okay, now we'd like to tell something about KONE. 我翻译过，你继续。
我们的通力怎么去改？我们首先来进行，我们看一下，拿上我们的
手编码器。
咱在这儿。
No。
就是我们这款，然后通力，我们这个部分的通力，我们的分别是我们两个包闸，这个包闸，我们的另外一个旁边的一个包闸，这个位置的一个包闸。
Yeah, this part is mainly the UVW and the two brakes besides the sheave. Go ahead, 继续。
哪有螺丝刀？
我去。小的大的。导演，你拿个螺丝刀。螺丝刀。We'd like to. I go to take a screwdriver. Screwdriver, no. No. 我电阻压力太大了。
然后会印象里设置。
好，我先说啊。Wait a minute, our Henry go to fetch the screwdriver. Some people they don't give the enough tools here, so I just give a brief introduction about use the Monarch 3000 to modernize the KONE. And now the yeah, LCE and KCE. I'm not sure how you guys in your country call the KONE traction machine. This the green one, yeah, the disc machine, the KONE disc machine. Because in my country, I mean in China, many people call that UFO, yeah. Because if you change to another side, it looks like the disc traction machine will be looks. Why I tell this? Because it proves that the KONE disc traction machine is very unique and it's difficult. So I believe many of people, even some factory or some people, they have no idea how to use the Monarch 3000 to modernize the KONE, and especially the KCE. Because the KCE system now, as I know, it have the really very strict control about the difficult. And this part, I believe some of people, you guys maybe have the successfully experience to know how to do that. Okay, now let's go back. Let's continue. Our Mr. Henry come back. We got our cute screwdriver. So yes, as I just told that the box here is mainly for the UVW and the two size bricks besides the sheet, okay? Yes, you can see this one we already more modernized, but original we use another type. Yeah, this one.
目前就是可以选择2款编码器，这个是我们的原装款，我们的原装同理的富伯乐的编码器，然后另外一款是我们的汇通的一个编码器。
Yeah. Now we mainly except for the original one. This one is original KONE, okay? Except for this one, now we choose this YX encoder, okay?
比如说我们现在用这款编码器，然后这款编码器我们就是会改动，会把我们的编码器线剪断以后重新做一个插头，然后用我们的专用程序，然后就可以用通力原装编码器。
Okay, the solution one is if you don't want to change your encoder, so we have solution one. We will change the wire connecting and we give another plug. So you don't have to change the encoder, directly use this one to install and then continue. So we still have solution two if you choose another, if you don't want to use this encoder, okay? If you don't want to use this original encoder we still have solution two.
然后这一款就是我们的直接不用做插头，就我们的插头已经做好了，我们的汇通的这款编码器。
Solution two.
然后这款编码器就是包括这款就不说了，然后它的圆盘是对应我们的6个螺丝。
Yeah, we give the screw hole already. Okay, so you don't have to when you receive that you don't have to give the pre down. Okay, pre down for you. You just receive this and install. The screw hole we already down for you. 你按一个响了，标子响了。OK。
另外一个头就是装到我们的 PG 卡上。
So this one connecting to our PG card.
这个关于通力改造的话，我们下期会做一个专业的，就是我们的每一步都会给大家直播。
And we will use this special customized bracket to fix it on this position.
然后会把我们的这款，然后会连接到这个架子，我们会调整这个螺丝孔，装到这个位置，然后这个不是装一个螺丝嘛？这个螺丝会 走一圈那个脉冲。
We'll use the sensor and stable at here to check the shape round, so so it can give the pulse signal.
这是我们就是安装部分，然后剩下的就是我们的另外器，包括G04的门禁马达，我们还是用原来的，保持不变。
The door part, especially the door board and the door motor, we don't have need to be changed. If your original is work normally, okay, no need to change. Directly use this one, okay, no problem.
然后接下来就是我们讲一下，就是我们的莫纳克的另外一个就是比较特殊结构的，就是我们的就是上海30的这款电影机。
And then we tell something about the very special one is this Shanghai Mitsubishi traction machine.
下面有请我们的王工把这个给大家介绍一下，然后你进行翻译。
Okay, so introduce our another one to give the brief introduction about this traction machine.
这个液晶机的编码器，安装方式比较特别。
Okay, the first of all, this traction machine, the encoder installation way is very special.
这款的这个液晶机，我的编码器就在这里面，从这里面穿过去。
The traction machine is through it, okay?
穿过去，我们的实际的一个编码器又在这个位置。
And then Okay, Mr. Wang, please.
我们装的时候是会先，我们这块是把我们的4个螺丝把我们4个螺丝会拆掉我们的这4个螺丝。
Okay, remove the screws here. 来 remove the screw here. Show.
对，我们先把原来的编码器要拆掉，把这个验机这个外壳拆掉之后，把那个原来的编码器这个螺丝一松，从这边就拔下来。
还要拆掉这个吗？
这个不用
拆掉这个吗？
对，只要把那个圆盘拆掉。
这一圈是吧？
这
不拆。Okay. Remove here it had a cover here, okay, before. We remove that. Remove the cover first, and then it's the 4个螺丝这里是吧？
对。
And then it's the 4 screws here. Remove the screw, and you will remove the encoder here.
对，我把编码器从这个方向拿出来。
Okay. So attention when you remove okay, not from this side, but in this way, this direction. Okay.
然后我们就是里面安装的这个架子。
Okay, we customize the bracket also. So the 4 screw change to be 2.
专用版编码器，这款专用版。
Yeah, we customize a special encoder for the machine.
好，再拿立山这一款。
Yeah, then we get into the Japan Mitsubishi Alensa.
这款我们就是编码器的安装方式在这个位置，我们将这几个螺丝全部拆掉。
This one, the encoder is in this part, and we remove the screws here, all of the screws here.
后面有一个编码器，我们拆。
And then we remove the encoder and change to the special encoder for this one.
最后一款就是我们的这一款，奥迪斯的这一款。
Okay, next one is Otis.
奥迪斯这一款的话，它的编码器也是一样的嘛，就是正常，就是我们的4个螺丝，这4个螺丝拆掉。
Yeah, remove the 4 screws here, and you will get the encoder.
中间还有一个螺丝，我们也拆掉。
And also the middle one.
然后取出我们的编码器，用一个我们的专用的一个编码器，我们那款编码器跟这个样子很相似，就是专用的一个编码器装进去。
Remove this encoder, my encoder for this machine.
这款后期的话，我们也会把那个安装验影机的安装编码器的一些方式，也会给现场，就是我们
to see to introduce how to remove this encoder and how to installation the new one.
我们为什么今天就讲这些，就是30呀，我们的30，包括我们的迅达，还有奥迪斯， 包括我们的 KCE， 我们的 KCE 系统，这几个系统，为什么讲这个东西？当我们遇到一些电梯，比如说老化，它的配件更换非常昂贵的时候，我们不妨去试一试我们的莫纳克系统。
The reason why we tell something about this, like KCE, LCE, and some Otis, some Schindler, when you met the elevator is very old, and yeah, as you know, if you change such kind of the spare parts, it will have a very huge cost. So in this condition, we think the best way is to change to save your money, and on the other hand, it also can save your clients money. And on the three hand is the passengers. If you do the renew thing, I think the passengers will feel the more comfortable. Okay. The passengers will have the better feeling when they are in cabin, and do the control system like the HP mount, like step, like even the blue light. Yeah, all of this can we have the method to do the modernization. Depends on your requirements. If you have no idea which brand I should choose Monarch or Step or Blue Light or HP mount or even some other maybe not very common control system. You just tell us your requirements, and we have our special and professional people will give you the decision according to your requirements. Okay.
然后，就刚才我们讲的那部分，就是占据我们的市场的80%，另外一个就是我们的市场还占据20%。在这个说话之前，就是我们刚才不是给大家讲的，就是我们去年回顾我们去年这3个部分的时候参与。
Anybody that have the question about I write here? Anybody remember I write what here before? Tuning, commissioning, and remove password and protocol. Is there anybody? 啊。哦，看不清是吧？好，我们再写一遍。OK. Before review. Okay, review 3 parts. One is the tuning, or somebody call commissioning. As commissioning. Okay, it should be like this. Commissioning and remove password. Remove password. 导演再给我找个笔。And protocol. Okay. Protocol. 找个黑一点的 protocol. Okay. This is what we start to this live show, what we write here, okay, review. Because this 3 parts, before we all talk about that, we're worrying about still have, any people have the question about this whiteboard. Anybody have a question about this part? 导演有吗？ Yep.
有延迟，一会儿才有。
哦，还说呢，我说啥 ？OK。
然后剩下就是我们的20%，我们另外20%部分，就是我们的过去的一些旧电梯，旧电梯，然后给予我们旧电梯的一个生命力，比如说我们的不适合于去更换，包括我们的直体和弧体是一样的，不适合于更换，然后我们进行可以升级改造，全新的升级改造。
你写啥？
全新的升。
那这么写，20%你就给这样写。
老旧电梯的升级改造。
Give new life for the 20%. Why we do the modernization? We can give the new life for old elevator, especially the. Yeah, maybe last month I remember our people went to Malaysia. We saw a really very old Japan Mitsubishi elevator. That one is, I believe that elevator is older than my age because that one is controlled by relay. Okay, I never see that. That is the first time I see the elevator controlled by relay. So such kind of condition, you can use this one to give the old elevator new life. Okay, so this one, I said the new is not only the control system. If you like, you can also make the car cabin like brighter and shiner and more beautiful. So the passengers in this building, they will feel the elevator is new, but actually no. Actually, we just do a modernization. So this is both very economic and sightseeing very, very good. And even the passengers, when you are inside, you will feel the elevator is smoothly and comfortable and quiet, of course.
这一部分我们有2个部分系统进行改造，就是除了我们说的就是凯普蒙特、Monarch，就是包括我们的新仕达，我们可以去改乱。另外就是我们的有一部分就是我们没有编码器的情况下，我们怎么去改。
Yeah, and also this part you might the control way is still is the open loop. I mean the open loop is without the encoder. Because now the elevators all I think it has encoder, so we call that closed loop control. But the very old one they don't have. So in such kind of condition, what can we do to modernize that?
然后我们接下来就是我们在我们的就是除了我们的这款能改我们这20%以外，另外剩下的有一部分我们还可以用我们的。NICE100，加系统改造。
Okay, this and 3,000new. Okay, 对吧？Okay.
然后接下来我们再去打开看一下我们的莫纳克。
The NICE100 plus. 100 plus, NICE100 plus. Here? I'm not sure where's the screw. Okay. NICE100new.
现在我们这款的话，就是我们首先就是介绍一下我们这款的话，它接入了哪些信号。然后第一个是我们的24伏电压和另外是 X1到我们的横跨到我们的 X24是我们的信号。
So this part is mainly for the 24 is the input signal.
另外一个部分就是我们的高压部分 X25、26、27这部分。
So X25 to X27 is a high voltage part.
然后这个是我们的输出部分。
And this part is the output.
然后接下来我们就是简单演示一下我们这个系统在不使用编码器的情况下，因为我们这个上面也没有 PG 卡，我们是怎么快速的完成一台电梯的异步电梯的调试。
Yes, you can see this one without the PG card to use this system to control the 异步 the geared machine. 没问题，有齿轮的。
我们接下来就是我们操作一下，我们怎么去调试，然后你来操作。
我操作。OK。你要我干什么？
接电源。
没电吧？没电吧？接哪个
电源嘛。
RST 啊
UAW 再接。
RST。接这吗？
然后这个 UAW。
Now I'm gonna to give this 100 the power RST 这部分什么顺序吧？ So why we don't give the pre-connecting? Because we want you to see that we are doing step by step. So all of you guys will have the clear idea what we did and what we do. So this is what you, if you receive the NICE100, what you were doing, almost the same procedure with what I do now. 你看我是接着，你看 RST 一样。Okay, I'm sorry. I'm a new learner. My teacher tab, I give the wrong position. Okay. 这三个啊 ，Mr. Wang， 你也不提醒我一下。
不是吧？
哪三个？
接上面不是啊，不是一起的。
接着啊。OK. I'm a new learner. For this thing. All of the basic knowledge what I learned is recently I do the live show with our engineers. 哎呦嘿，
这不能直接压在上面，这先压上。
压上了啊！
行，
那压上了还得压的。你不是压上还压，不是要拆掉吗？是吧？啊，你这一不松点。
嘿。你不要送啊，等我走了你再送，你容易出事故，直播变成直播事故。Our people said now they will give the power. I said no. I want to give a complete live show until it's finished. I don't want to show the accident. 去吧。So if for me, the really very fresh man can learn how to fix the elevator. So if I can learn, it means many gentlemen in front of the screen, you will know how to do that because I believe all of you guys have the much rich experience than I have. OK， 看咱接着线，你看，就是高手。Yeah. What I do, what I give the wire connecting is very stable and very good. Yeah. Freshman can do. You guys can do it better. OK. What I did is give the 100 power. OK. RST power. This one is before. Ignore it. Just like connecting. 来，王工，给他们show一下。Okay, the RSD from this side, our cable go to here, okay? So it means this is the RSD. This is the RSD cable for this system, okay? 他去拿啥去了？忘了是吧？这样的。这从这儿就出来了，是吧？
对，它是线从这边
OK. I got so the cable here to here RST. This is one cable.
因为变压器要变出了不同等级的电呀，有比如说爆炸呀或者照明呀都用。
所以那电是从哪儿进的？
从这进，然后到变压器。
OK.
变压器变出了不同等级的电。
Okay, so I give the insight. I ask our people that how the power, the electricity go. They said it's an input from here to the transformer. The transformer gives a different voltage inside, different voltage output to the inverter. And then what is the next step? 下一步我们做什么？钳子。你去吧，我来写吧。OK。钳子咋说？钳子，我也不会。
钳子。
你说的很棒。
我这上。
那我们现在是要接哪部分？
给这通个，搁这通个110，你有电吗？
哦，比如说我们现在接啥线嘛，我给人家解说嘛。
嗯，
我就说我们现在接啥线嘛，我给人家解说嘛。啊 ，Now we are giving the power.
给包咱，现在就包咱的供电。
Yeah, we give the power for the brake. Yeah, 110 voltage.
就是我们今天因为没有衣服电机，我们用一个平谱给大家做一个演示。
Because today, as you saw just now, we don't have the geared machine. We only have the gearless machine. So today we choose the gearless machine to show. 茶办，擦牌。哦，导演很无聊。行吧。Yeah, see in our company. Yeah, see the very beautiful sightseeing. Yeah, outside can see. Yeah, the city, the sightseeing is very beautiful, especially at night. Really. Anybody have the question? Any question? If you have, can ask. No matter Monarch or Step or Blue Light or KONE or Otis, everything. If we know, we must tell. If you have the question, please ask. 可有问题 ？No. Okay. Nobody have the question. Come on, you guys. If anybody here. Oh, okay. If anybody are watching, please give me some feedback. I have constantly talk about around 1 hour.
接下来我们就是这款的话就是一样，是用的我们的墨宝。
Okay, this NICE100 same. We still use the Bluetooth.
然后我们送电。
送它了，送了。Okay. We give the power. Everybody stay safe. 送电。好了，送。Good.
然后我们开始进入我们的调试。
And now we're gonna to get into the toning step, commissioning step procedure.
这个就用的使用的就是蓝牙，蓝牙很可爱。
Yeah, we use the Bluetooth. Same with NICE100new. We still use the Bluetooth. 现在我没在屏幕上啊。Same with the general procedure. We got the motor information. 通力这个啊，9.3千瓦，21.2赫兹。
不是公里。
哪个？这个啊，没找见名牌的还。拍照，稍等。Yeah, now we are doing the. 等下我拍照我看啊。We are input the traction machine. 哎，200千克液银比2码，妈的，就是这个功率瞅不见。我给咱看啊。额定功率2.2千瓦。额定电流，啊，这是看不清。 额定电流，额定电压220，液引比什么什么什么。不是我这个手机拍出来看不清，不是我在这拧看了。哎，你们。Mission. The rated currency is 10. Rated voltage is 220. It's 191 RPM.
然后另外就是让我们的包杂能正常打开，因为这个包杂块
混合了。
通这两个啊，我来吧，你拨你找你这两个啊，通了啊。
按一下。
吓我一跳。OK， 通了啊。
好，我们基本是。
OK，
我们的参数不是现在已经设定好，开音响。
We set down the parameters, so now we get into the we go it.
.现在这就是我们的所有的信号，我们的信号有检修信号，包括我们的运行接触器，还有包括我们的包杂，包括我们的安全回路呀、门锁，我们的输出都已正常。
Yeah, as you can see, all of the signals input already are normal, like the door lock, like the safety circuit, everything signal is normal.
然后接好我们的现场接好我们的 UVW， 然后包括我们的 IST。
Yeah, we should give the UVW wire connecting and RST.
我们主要是讲这个柜子啊，这个柜子底下就这个部分，就是我们是用我们的可以用我们的自定义接线方式，我们可以定义我们的线，然后定义好，我们可以接到我们的这个端子台上。
So this one is still have a very smart design that is this line. You can customize the function. So maybe you don't have to change the traveling cable in your job site.
然后我们的这款柜子也是非常小巧的，然后调试起来是非常简单，也不用做什么编码器角度自学习，因为没有编码器，直接就开。
Yeah, as you can see, this controller is very small, and it don't have the encoder, so you don't have to do the encoder tuning. I mean the encoder angle learning. So directly input the parameters and directly go.
另外一块，我们这款板子也是没有通讯板。
Yeah, of course. At the meantime, this one do not have the communication board.
我们的主板直接控制门机变频器。
The door drive board is directly controlled by the main board.
然后另外一个部分就是我们的主板直接控制我们的外部板。
And also the main board directly control the COP display and the LOP.
然后这就是我们这款 NICE100这个柜子的整个的一个结构。
So this one is a complete structure of the NICE100. Yeah, as you can see, compared with the closed loop, this one, the everything control is directly to display and no communication board. The motherboard will directly control all of the parts and do not have the encoder tuning because it doesn't have encoder, so it's easy. save time, save energy, save money, save everything, save people, of course.
然后我们就是今天的主要的讲这个目的就是我们后期的，比如说我们大家有需求的，就是了解我们的改造，我们可以具体的就是出一些，我们有很多的方案。
The purpose that why today we talk about this this one, I mean the 100 plus, it proves that everything we have material solution to match different condition of your elevator. No matter yours is the KONE, this, or the Mitsubishi, or Otis, or Schindler, or other brands. As long as we have experience for this elevator, we know how to give the exact solution to suitable for you. And no matter you have requirements on economic, you have requirements on the, let's say, looks beautiful. Let's say the control system, yeah, as I said, we not only have the Monarch, okay, but also the step and the Monarch, HP mount, such kind of control system, all we have. So just in one purpose to meet the different requirements from all of you guys.
然后我们下一期就是会。就是更详细的去讲我们的通力，主要是我们那个通力改造，包括我们的 KCE 系统的一个改造方案。
Yeah, as what I told before, that next time we will give the KONE modernization solution, especially for the KCE. I believe you guys, if you have experience in KCE, you must know that one is difficult, and I believe all of you guys, when you met or meet or will meet KCE, you will have all different kinds of the questions or headache things about KCE. So modernization is also a very economic way to make it easier for maintenance company, maintenance people to do it.
刚好就是有没有问题
Okay, still, F and Q, F and A. Nobody have the question.
说旁白吧，应该是送旁白。你看你的。
发问题啊。好。If you have questions, please let us know. Now is our F&A step. No matter what kind of question you have.
咱是说你就是还是很感谢，就是守在屏幕的去观看我们的
直播。
我们的不是直播，我们的培训就是技术分享，技术分享，有更多的就是我们一起探讨，就是更多的电梯问题，
My friend Henry said that very appreciate for all of you guys in front of the screen to see our live show, to see our technology sharing. That you think yours is very unique, very special, and we are also very thankful that you can share your experience to us. And if you have questions, also later you can send to our email. And during your normal and daily work, if you have any you don't know how to do, and also you can let us know. We must try our best to be helpful. This is your old friend Jackie, and this is your old friend Mr. Henry. And any question you can let us know. If nobody have questions, see you next time our live show. Okay, our director said that let me wait. Anybody have questions? Let me know. What questions?
没有。
No.
没发。
No. Okay. No, 没发就散会吧。Okay. All of you guys, thank you so much. Bye bye. See you next time our live show. Bye bye.
See you.